To give continuity to the previous map of the Caribbean, we now present the map of the distribution of power in Latin America. This subregion can be organized into 5 groups of states according to their endowment of power and position in the international geostructure. 1. The semi-peripheral states that are, on the one hand, Brazil and Argentina, the regional powers, and, on the other hand, Chile and Uruguay, which are considered secondary semi-peripheral states. 2. Colombia and Venezuela, 2 sub-regional powers, although in the latter case, a country that has suffered a significant reduction in its national power since 2014. 3. Peru and Ecuador, which are 2 middle peripheral states, with important geopolitical projections in the Andean zone. 4. Bolivia and Paraguay, which are minor peripheral states, but which have gradually increased their national power in recent years. 5. Guyana and Suriname, which are sub-peripheral states, although Guyana has been highlighted as one of the most prominent emerging countries since 2019. Stay up to date with more analysis on national power and international geostructure at www.worldpowerindex.com.